My name is Scott Cutler. I teach science and engineering at Black Hills High School. And at Black Hills High School, we've created a program called Physics of Flight. It's a class for high school students to get exposed to aeronautical engineering, aviation maintenance, and any other career jobs that are in the aviation field besides just piloting. Working with the port and bringing the kids out today, it's fantastic because now they're able to see some of the things we've talked about in the classroom and the things they've been working on, skills they've been working with aluminum and fiberglass, electrical equipment, and now they're actually seeing it being applied with the businesses that are here in the field. Now they're getting to see the jobs that are actually available. And we're really excited because some of these kids have been working on some of those skills that they would be asking their future employees to be able to work with and say, hey, can you crimp a wire? Can you bend some sheet metal? And the students can do it. And they're like, oh, I can do that. So this has been incredible. Everything from piloting to maintenance to support crew. It's a fantastic opportunity.